Why does your stomach always do that in the quietest possible moment? You press on it, still going. You eat something, louder. You drink water, somehow louder. You are out of options. The whole class can hear it. Why is your body doing this right now? Okay, so here's the wild part. Your stomach is actually cleaning itself. Muscles are squeezing out leftover air and liquid to get ready for more food. That sound is literally your body doing its job perfectly. The more embarrassing the growl, the harder your body's working. Next time it happens, don't be embarrassed. Be proud. Subscribe for more facts that'll make you sound way smarter than your teacher.